Hey, so you guys have probably done KWL charts back in middle school. If you hadn't, I just wanted to give a quick run through. We are going to fill out a KWL chart as we read the story. It is not due until the very end of the story. And basically, it's really easy to fill out. You can do a lot of it on your own. I'm doing this first days with you, though I'm only doing the first part, okay? So KWL stands for what I know, what I want to know, and what I learned. So over here, we're just going to write down the things that we basically know about the story. And over here, you're going to write a question, and a question responding to that, what you know, okay? And when we find out how you answered that question in the story, you write that down and what I learned, okay? So for example, when you start reading, the very first thing you're going to find out is there's a mysterious island called Ship Trap Island and that people are scared of it, okay? So for example, what I know is that Ship Trap Island scares sailors, right? What's a question we all have with that? What is on the island? Yeah, what's on the island that scares people? And when you find out in the story, you would answer right here. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's basically all the questions that we're going to know from the reading portion today. We're going to see all these things covered, and what I want you guys to do is when you finish the reading, it's like 10-15 minutes. If you're doing it with me, it may be even shorter if you're doing it on your own. Just ask a question responding to these things here, and when you see it answered in the story, go ahead and write down what you learned. Alright, and for the next 4 or 5 days when we read this story, come up with your own over here to the side and then answer them and write down what you learned. It'll be really simple. The point is for you guys to make inferences and to react to the text. And as you know, an inference is to English what a hypothesis is to science. So you're just asking questions about the story, you're interacting with it, and seeing things as they're uncovered, much like you do automatically when you watch a show or something. If you have any questions about this, let me know. We're going to be doing this with most of our stories. And it's just a really simple, easy grade for you guys. Like I said, this is all due when the story is finished. All right? Okay, thank you guys.